How to change playlist cover on Amazon Music. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can change the playlist cover on your Amazon Music. So if you want to change the playlist cover on your Amazon Music, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to open up your music app. So on your mobile device, you have to open the Amazon Music app on your smartphone. And you have to tap on the library tab at the bottom of the screen and select the playlist from the top menu. And you have to select the playlist you want to edit, and you have to just go for the edit playlist and tap on the three dot in the upper right corner. And you have to select the edit playlist, and you can change the cover image. You have to tap on the current cover. You have to tap on the current cover image at the top of the screen. And you can choose to either upload an image from your device or choose the image from your Amazon photos or the provided option. After selecting the new image, you have to confirm your choice and save the changes. So, with the help of this simple step, you can change the playlist cover on your Amazon Music. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.